Today we discuss with one of the important term, sampling survey. We already discussed definition, advantages, and what are the important terms and technologies are there. Today we discuss with what are the types are there and what are the principles and which way we have to collect the information. For that we discuss today. Okay. First we look at types of sample surveys. Okay. What do you mean by survey? Survey means we are collecting information from our own use or different purpose. Okay. Then here different types of surveys are there. We discuss with one by one. The first one is a demographic survey. Demographic survey, if you are collecting information regarding demographic means it's called a demographic survey. Okay, for example, what is your name, what is your age, what is your gender, and how many child is there in your home, and what is your occupation, and what is your educational level. If you are collecting like that information means it comes under the demographic survey. And second one is an educational survey. The survey are conducted to collect the information related to the educational survey. Okay. For example, how many students are studying in a particular school? How many graduates are there in a particular college? If you are collecting like that means it's called as an educational survey. And third one is a economic survey. Economic survey is very important one nowadays. Okay. For in each and every field they are using this. For example, they want to improve their quality level means what they will do, they are taking a surveys. Okay, so based on the survey result they are improving their quality. Okay, for example, production, then consumer expenditure and expectation of the consumers, each and everything they are doing in an economic survey. And next one is an employment survey. What is meant by employment survey? You are collecting information related to the employment, that is called the employment survey. Okay, how many employers are there in a particular concern and what is their wages? If you are collecting like that information, means it is called as a employment survey. And next one is a health related service. Then if you are collecting information related to the health means it is called a health related service. Okay. For example, how many patients are affected in a COVID and how many patients are died and how many patients are recovered. If you are collecting like that information means it comes under the health related service. Okay. And next one is the agricultural survey. If you are collecting information related to agriculture, it is called the agricultural survey. For example, how many lands are there, how many lands are there in a particular city and how many acres and how many fertilizers are there and how many production of crops. If you are cutting like that means it's called a agricultural survey. And next one is a marketing survey, that is very well nowadays it's very important. For example, after completing the production they will introduce their product in your market. Based on the market level only they will increase their product. Okay, so that is a very important. It's a similar one in your marketing survey. And next one is an election survey and public polls. This is very well nowadays each and every state they are using which where is they are going the party is going to the high and which party is going to the down. Based on that they are using this. And last one is a campus survey, that is very well nowadays students are very clever, so based on the job opportunity only they are joining the college, so that comes under the campus survey. Okay, for example, some set of students going and they are inquiry the college what you are giving and what a job after completing my course, what is my job opportunity. So based on that only they are selecting the college. Okay, it comes under the campus survey. And next one is a principal steps in a sample survey. And what are the principal steps we are using? The first one is a objective of the study, population to be sampled, data to be collected, degree of precision required, method of measurement, the frame, selection of sample, the pre-test, organization of the field work, and last one is information gained for future surveys. Okay. First one, what is the objective of the survey? What is your research? Based on your research, you can frame your objective of the study. Okay. The objective is very important. Based on the objective only, we have to select the statistical tools. Based on the statistical tools, we have to write our statistical hypothesis. Based on the statistical hypothesis, we have to complete our inference. So this is one of the loop. So that is very important in the objective of the survey. And next one is a population to be sampled. Then you have to select your population. So based on your study, you have to fix your population. Okay. So based on your population, you have to fix your sample size. For example, if you are taking cancer department, okay, how many patients are affected in a blood cancer? That is your population. So from that, you are selecting only the first stage of the people, those who are affected. Okay, so that is called a population to be sampled. From that, you have to apply a determination of sample. The use with the help of that, we have to identify the data to be collected. Okay, so the next one is a degree of precision required. Okay, what is meant by precision? The degree of precision means what? It's very simple. So based on the data collection, we have to fix the one term, and based on that, we have to take that. Okay, that is a precision. And next one is a method of measurement. We have to measure. How can we take the data from the population? Okay, so if you are taking like that, which is called as a method of measurement. That is a nominal, ordinal, or interval and ratio. So based on that, you have to fix that. Okay, and you have to frame your sample unit. Okay, that is very important. After your framing, you have to select your sample. Okay, and after selecting your sample, you have to test it. Okay, whether it is comes under this or not, you have to fix. Then based on that, we can calculate the field work. Okay, so we have to do the pre-test. If the pre-test is okay, means we have to go the next one. Okay, and finally we all the information together with the help of, we have to write the conclusion. Okay, these are the main and principal steps in a sample survey. And last one is a method of data collection. There are various ways we are collecting the information. Nowadays we are using to collect the information, but they are given some important types. The first one is a physical observation and measurements. We directly measure the information. For example, BP level, sugar level. If they are collecting information, means that is a measured data. What is your height? What is your weight? So based on they are collected, means that is a physical observation measurement. And second one is a personal interview. After setting your questionnaire, you have you go and directly meet the person and you collect the information. Means that is called a personal interview. That is a face-to-face interview also. And second one is a mail interview. What it means that you prepare the questionnaire, you send through mail, then if you get it back, means that's called a mail inquiry. And last one is a web-based inquiry. Web-based means you know very well, nowadays we are collecting more information like that only. And next one is a registration. Okay, registration based on, so it's a primary data. And next one is a transaction from records. We are collecting information from the previous records. That is called a transaction of records. Okay, these are the some important methods we are using in a sample survey. Okay, thank you all. So next class we discuss with you another new topic.